This is the robot repair tech. He's in the front with one of his friends that he created with his mech. These are the 4 Series 22 people that we have left to build a home for. In the robot repair tech, we'll be getting a mech, like we did for the dinosaur minifigure. We'll be getting a set to use to improve it, and we'll be looking at past and previous mechs. And then in the back behind him, we have the 3 left ones. We'll be having a girl squad as the last 3 homes get built for them. So, I'm going to go ahead and find all of my previous mechs, and we'll find some inspiration. These are some of the mechs I have. I have quite a few more, but I didn't want to get them out because either they're falling into disrepair or other things, and I need to fix a few because a few parts have fallen off or been damaged. In the back, we have the canceled What If mech, and then we have the Iron Man mech, then the War Machine mech, then the Minions mech. Then we have Thor, a Zane mech, Wolverine, Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy, and a Pirate from Lego Movie 2. These are all great mechs, but I do think that the Minions one is over top heavy, and I think that for this happening, I think that we need to begin building our mech because I think we're getting wasting of time. So with all of this thing, I want to base it more on the canceled What If one. That one looks super cool, and it has a great color scheme and more. And that's why I bought this. I bought this $20 Lego Lightyear Disney Pixar set. Even though it's 4+, it comes with great minifigures and a little side build. Along with this mech thing, which I'll be taking most of the parts from so I can design my own mech for the robot repair tech. So, most of the set won't be kept together, but that's fine. After all, it is a 4+ set. So, I think that this is going to help shape it a bit, and we won't have to use as much parts on the legs as we should use, and it will look a lot more better. I feel like if they're just pure yellow and stuff, and they move better actually. So, I think we're going to go ahead and begin building up this thing, and we'll begin with the legs. Let's build the legs. Mini update. I feel like the zoo is getting a bit too bland, so it's going to be demolished. So I can use the parts for something new, and it won't have it sitting here unused. So, next time you see this area, it should be pretty bland, and the zoo won't be together anymore. So, just want to give you the update so you weren't confused. Now, let's get back to the regular video. This is the robot repair tech mech. So, we'll get started with the legs. The legs are basically the same as they originally were in the mech, but instead I added more detailing on the side. The lower side's detailing is the same on the other side. Then on both sides on the top they are different. See, that's the detailing for the one side. That's the other detailing. Now I'll reattach the body so we can look at that. So here's the cockpit where he goes in. You can pull down that. I believe that's from an old Ninjago set. And then we have a little seat in there and stuff. And then we put this back up. And then for the arms, we have that. Then for the other side, we have that. And then on the back, I used detailing from the Lightyear set and implemented that into here. Then on the top, we have like leaf pieces as detailing and wires. Then we also have like a wire piece up there. It'd be so much fun to build his friend, a giant version of him, but I don't think I have the time in the bricks. So, I built the Robo Repair Tech, that mech. I hope you like the mech. I used great detailing and feel a lot of snots and all kinds of stuff. I feel like I did my best on it. And let's go to the next clip. This is the Robo Repair Tech's amusement park. It has a roller coaster and a Ferris wheel thing. It goes around, as you can clearly see right now. And then we have this roller coaster, which is an old 3-in-1 set. As you can see, it goes up like this. And it can keep going on a tiny loop. And then it goes down and gets over here. It has this tiny play function, which makes the water spray for the set. And it has this entire really cool station. We have a huge line for this ride. And then we have this is a kid ride, so it's not as long. And then we also have this newscast. And then here we have Robo Repair Tech and his friend. This is the amusement park that he owns. But this will only be alive for 20 years. Because on the 20th year, something harsh happened and had the entire amusement park shut down. This is the amusement park 20 years later. A terrible incident on the opening day. The last ride of the evening with 3 people in it. 2 boys, 1 girl. When they got to the huge hill, the animatronic thing got stuck on the rail and it caused it to de-line. And 3 people died that day. None survived. So most of the rides were either sold, traded, or demolished. The only ride that remains is the one that the people died on, so we can rest in peace. Soon, the rest of the park will be demolished. The city dump.